There's Drew. We're in Renmark. There's Jen and Mom.
He just threw his band-aid to them.
Drew's throwing bread to the birds. Look at this big one. Pelican. This is the river that we're going to go do some canoeing on tomorrow. Beautiful. There's little Sam hanging out. Just had some lunch. Hi, Sam. Hi, Sam. Hi, Sam. Oh, he did a little wave. He's watching the birds also.
Pelican wins that one every time.
Pelican won.
Sure.
Look at that.
Oh. Well, that's cool, lady.
Drew's loving it.
Drew. Drew.
It's Daddy. Say hello, Mom. Hi, Jen. Jen's birthday today. Happy birthday, Jen.
Happy birthday, Jennifer.
Hey, Drew, throw. Go throw.
Nice shot, right into the dog's feet.
All right.